Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of mute notifications on Discord. To know how to fix or how to solve mute notifications on Discord, you can click on settings. And here we'll enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Then we'll enter to Discord. Here you can click on force stop and you can click OK. Then you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching. Bye.